All right, man, I'm ready when y'all are.
This is your song, Mike. Let's do it.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and so take me down the road that's a little bit windy, to a place they still put sugar in their iced tea, where the women are fine and the love is fair. Yeah, driver, you can drive me off anywhere.
Flipping massive, man.
Hey, driver, pull on over. I'm in a fight with God.
Decent.
This Carolina shoulder seems the place I'm getting off. Daddy always told me, never make a home on the road while your lady's sneaking out.
Oh God. That's a good one. I'm not sure about the kicking at the end. What are you doing with your feet at the end? Yeah. You look really cool. You look like an alien. One more. Not bad. Good. Oh, that was a good one. Good. That was a good one. On camera. On camera.
Right, we are off. We're off on a day trip. I've got 19 minutes left on this SD card, so it's going to be precise. It's the first time I've picked up this holiday. We're in Port Douglas, and we're off. What are we doing? We're going Great Barrier Reef on a boat, snorkeling. Low tides or something?
Sorry?
What are we going on?
Low Isles.
Low Isles.
And we're going, there's a sand cave.
A sand cave or sand cave.
No, cave.
Sand cave.
No, cave.
Sand cave. Catching the sun. This is our view of the pool. Don't know if you can see that. There we go. Look at that. TGI is so good. So yeah, we're just getting ready. Gonna hit it out. It's pretty warm here. Tan's coming on. We've got a lovely apartment, and I'm gonna see you on the boat probably. Stopping off, getting some sushi.
Yeah, we're going to get sushi.
Bit of sushi, and then we're getting fed on the boat, aren't we? Hopefully.
And alcohol, apparently.
Apparently, alcohol.
I put the work together till I pick the perfect rhyme. It's timing. People telling me I changed. Like I'm.
Is it nice? Can you sing?
What's that? Right. Leah saw a shark. I saw a shark in the boat, and a shark swam under Leah.
Is that jelly? Is it poo?
Yeah, it's like the sun.
So anyway.
Snorkeling. Well, I'm looking a little bit rosy.
Yeah, the water's
Might be
really
looking
well.
quite tanned actually. We've seen turtle,
Turtle,
a box
fish. That was really cool.
Is this my vlog or your vlog? Come on, you take it away. What did you see?
Oh, I saw sharks. So I really did.
Yeah, alright.
Actually.
There we go.
Feel that.
And now we're just having a little walk on this beach. It's quite nice.
It's really nice.
It's really nice.
It's quite nice. That's our boat.
Lovely. Boat out there, sail away. And that's the reef. That is actually, right there is the Great Barrier Reef. You didn't know?
I've been riding this lonely way too long. All the love I had worth giving was all spent on my songs. Hey driver, the boys are gambling with more than just their cars, with their bottles and their drugs and their Bibles in their hearts. So take me down the road that's a little bit windy, to a place they still put sugar in their iced tea, where the women are fine and the love is fair.
They look really good. Good choice. That looks really good actually. Crocodiles in there.
Tribulation Road, Daintree Ferry to Kimberley.
Reckon?
Crocodile. She's tons. We are in Crocland now. This is Croc territory. Real crocodile territory. And there's lurking in there somewhere.
That would be cool. We're on the ferry.
What's it pumping?
Take me now, oh, that's a little bit windy. To a place they still put sugar in their iced tea. Where the women
Probably like a few crocs there. Any thoughts? What do you think? It's cool. It is cool. It's really lovely, in fact.
It's the
Look how blue the water looks over there.
Rainforest, and then rainforest, and then the beach.
The camera probably doesn't do it quite justice, but
I reckon it's nice.
What are you looking at?
Oh, there's something to see over there.
Where?
Can
Where?
you see that over there?
Where?
Like over there, in the sea. What's that there?
Where?
Right in front. It's like a different colour there.
Yeah. Crocodile.
I forgot to tell everyone, Leah. It's your birthday today. She's 28.
Oh yeah.
28 years old.
We're swimming with the crocodiles.
No, you're not.
Spot of lunch before we see some crocodiles. Crocodile burger.
It's not a crocodile.
Can you see it? Straight through there. See?
If you saw 10 crocodiles all around 3 metres, 80% of them will be female and only 20% will be male. So how do you tell if you want to get technical? You've got to look up its bottom. Well, it's called the Boacara. Yes, sweetheart?
Nice. Fresh.
So, we are rounding up our expenditure. We are on our way back to the hotel. Sorry, Leah's driving. We're in a Mazda C3, by the way, and we're already back. We're nearly back, aren't we? It's pretty good. It's pretty sporty, isn't it? We've got it in sports mode. Leah's going to put her foot down. Oh my god. But been a hell of a day, isn't it? Been all sorts. Cape Tribulation, Cape Trib. We've done Cape Trib. We've done Alexandra Lookout. These are all things north of Port Douglas. We've then gone to, what else have we done?
Had some lunch.
We've had some lunch, and then we went on a croc tour, saw some real crocodiles out in the wild in their own environment, which was cool. all they do is sleep really in the day. It's pretty hot. Sunbathe and sleep.
It was quite cool. We
They're
saw a
pretty
baby
tame.
one.
We saw a little tiny baby one, which was about
was
big,
really
as
cool.
big as my head.
Yeah,
And then we have just been to Morseman Gorge for a nice little dip, which we will show you some footage of probably over this clip.
That was quite lovely. What have you got then?
So we've got a bit of crab, got some mussels, got some prawns, calamari.
Mussels. What's this big one? Crab.
Crab,
And what's that there?
prawn, mussels, calamari, mackerel.
Excited?
Yeah. I'm digging in.
Alright, you dig
I
it.
think this one's my side, and then that one.
Hey mate, Harry, another Harry. Harry's on Jerry Springer. Jerry. Well done, Harry's. Your name, mate? Trav from where? Trav's from Wales. It must. Rightio, Harry. There you go, mate. Sort of got the green top on, got the green toe. Nice big kiss, Harry. You give a kiss, yeah. On the belly too. Now get him up, Harry. Jerry. Nice kiss on the belly there, Harry. Let's give him a round of applause. Well done, mate. You're good to go, Harry. Jump back up there. Okay, I'll go through the colours. You like to go, Harry? Here we go, race one. We've got Harry on green, Simone's on yellow, Trav's on pink, Shania's on white, Megan's on red, Charlotte's on blue. Everyone together, ready, set, racing. And they're off. Fat bastard made the first one off. Simone, pick it up, Simone. Pick it up, Simone. Oh no. Gotta get him, Simone. Don't leave him. Somebody out there. Red's one, red. Red's in. Oh, Simone, you've done well, red. Red, yellow. Red, one, yellow, two. Keep blowing. Keep blowing her in the face, blowing in the bum, especially that one. Here comes Skippy. Keep going, Shania. Oh no, 4 under. They're getting that side. We've lost Oggy. Lose Oggy. Jerry's in the crack. Got him good. Quick. Oh, they're tied there. Blue, green. Blue, green.
Oh, look at that.
Hey driver, I'm so
Wow.
tired
Wonder if that's
of the ways of this whole world. Just driving till the tides
Beautiful.
will come back when it's here. Take me down a road that's a little bit winding,
To a place they still put sugar in their iced tea, where the women are fine and the love is